Guys, it's Lori and we are going to try some TikTok fudge today. I saw this on TikTok and I thought, okay, I have to try it. All it is peanut butter, an 18-ounce jar of peanut butter. We're doing creamy, and 16-ounce vanilla frosting. So I have white frosting. And the thing about it is I have two partial white frostings. I don't know why, but I do, two partials. So that's okay. We're gonna make it work. Set this aside and get my trusty scale out here. And we'll just measure out 16 ounces. Zero it. It doesn't usually zero the first time around, but now it did. So, okay. So what you do is you microwave 16 ounces of frosting, and you can do it right here in the jar, in the container, as long as you get all the foil off. But since I don't have a full container and I have two partials, we're doing it this way. All right. There's 10 ounces, so hopefully this makes it to 16 ounces. 15.2. I think we can scrape enough out of there. What do you think? Oh, goodness. 15.6. Oh, there's a nice blob still in here, so. Oh, yeah. That's perfect right there. And we'll just put that little bit in there. It won't hurt anything. And we're gonna microwave this until it's completely melted. I'll be right back. While that's in the microwave melting, we're gonna get this opened up, get it into the bowl. All right, let's check on that frosting. Okay, it is completely melted. That's what it said to do. Melt it completely. Pour it into the peanut butter and stir it up. So let's go for it. The other fudge recipe I have makes a wonderful peanut butter fudge, but you need a candy thermometer and you have to get it just perfect or it doesn't turn out. Mine usually turns out like taffy, or you have to eat it with a spoon. Once in a while, I'm gonna say about 30% of the time it turns out right. So I really don't like to bother with it, but it is delicious. So I have bothered with it several times. We're gonna see if this is as good. Wow, it smells exactly like that fudge that I make. Oh, it smells promising. All right, then after you do this part, you quickly put it into a 9x13. I buttered this. I don't know if I needed to, but I did because that's what I do with my other fudge. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna taste this a little bit right here. Oh my gosh. Shut up. It tastes exactly like that fudge. Holy crap. So you just let this set, let it set up and harden up a little bit, cut it into little pieces, and we will be back to have the family taste test this. Okay, this set up nice and firm. We're gonna cut this, and I've got my taste testers right here. This was in the fridge for about, what, an hour and a half, Josh?
Probably something like that.
Yeah. So we're gonna cut into this. Okay. Okay, who wants the first piece? Josh? Josh will do the honors. He's not gonna make me ask twice. All right. Chase, taste test. I'll take these little pieces.
Yep, pretty good.
That tastes exactly like my other fudge. Exactly, does it? Chase? They can't hear your marbles.
Yeah.
And Josh said, it really does. I gotta give John a piece. He's not, yeah, he's not a big fan of fudge. I'm gonna give him just a taste. He has to have a taste so he can see that it tastes just like my other fudge. He doesn't know. Winston probably does. He doesn't know how I made it though. Give Winston a little piece. He can have some of that. Not much. Did you give him a little piece? Winston approves.
No, it's not bad.
Huh?
That's not bad.
That's not bad. It tastes like my other fudge though, doesn't it?
Doesn't fall apart like fudge.
Okay.
Got a plate of
So
it.
Chase is taking another piece, so it must be good. Why don't you go give Hayden one? Oops, I better take that. Here. You want more? I didn't cut that yet.
It's fine.
What do you want? A great big piece? Gonna give some to Brendan?
Yeah. That's what Brendan wants. There's a big piece.
Brendan wants a big piece?
Yeah. He didn't say anything, but I know he does.
All right. There we go. Whoops. Okay, give Hayden a little piece to try. Okay, guys. This TikTok fudge is a hit. Approved by everybody so far. Okay.